So hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, I will show you 3 super easy ways to open the on-screen keyboard on your Windows PC. So watch this full video without skipping, because all 3 methods are super useful if you're facing keyboard-related issues. So let's get started. Number 1. Just press Windows plus Ctrl plus O together on your keyboard. And just like that, the on-screen keyboard appears on your screen. This is the fastest way if your physical keyboard is partially working or some keys are not responding. Number 2. Just press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then just type OSK and hit Enter. Instantly, your on-screen keyboard pops up. This works even if your keyboard is not working at all, because you can use your mouse to type and run. Number 3. First, click the Start menu button and just type on-screen keyboard in the search bar. And click the app from the search results, and it opens instantly. This method is great if you prefer using the Start menu instead of shortcuts. And that's it. These are the 3 easiest ways to open the on-screen keyboard on any Windows PC. If this video helpful to you, then comment below which method you like the most, or if you know any other tricks. Okay, so see you in next video. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tips.